Worried your course checkout might trigger a payment freeze? Many creators don't realize a messy or inconsistent page can raise red flags with processors. Here's a quick way to see how a clean, organized checkout can reduce risk by including a clear refund policy, contact info, and a visually consistent layout. You show professionalism to both students and processors. Even with a neat page, payment processors may still flag unusual activity. So this step helps, but it doesn't eliminate all risk. That's where EasyPay Direct comes in. Their hosted checkout provides ready-made compliant templates designed for course creators. You also get transaction routing, so even if one account experiences a spike, payments continue to flow smoothly. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out. With features like hosted checkout and transaction routing, you'll spend less time worrying about deadlines and freezes. Keeping your checkout clean and compliant is simple with EasyPay Direct. Use the link in the description to get started today and protect your course payments from unexpected holds.